Do you enjoy our meals and want to share this experience with others? This video teaches you how to apply and take advantage of our affiliate program, a program that allows you to refer others to our service. People you refer get 20% off their first order, and you get a 10% credit commission. First, visit our website frontporchpantry.com. Then, click on the tab that says Affiliate Program. Read the benefits of the program, and then fill out the information. Please keep in mind that all personal data, gift cards, and discount codes shown in the video are just examples. You'll have to fill out this part with your information. After you are ready, click Join. Now, read this information carefully. It says we will send you a verification email. Make sure to check your spam or promotion inbox if you don't see it in your regular inbox. If needed, you can always click on Resend Email. You will receive one email thanking you for applying to our program and a second email with a link that says, Confirm your email address. Click on that. Now you are all set and can log into your account. Enter your username and password and click Login. Notice that below your name, it says Inactive. This is because your application is still under review, you've not been accepted yet. Please allow us some time to review your application. If you get accepted, you will receive an email notification with a link to log in, and now, it will say Active below your name. When an affiliate gets accepted, it gets assigned a unique coupon code. You will be notified via email when your coupon gets assigned, and you can also access it on your account dashboard. This is the code you can share with others to allow them to get 20% off their first front porch order. By clicking on Marketing Tools, you will have access to some templates you can download and use on social media to promote your coupon code, if you wish to do so. What happens when someone uses your affiliate code? You will be notified via email that someone has applied your code. Please wait for a second email saying that your referral was approved and for a third email saying that your commission has been sent to you. After receiving those emails, go to the Payment tab on your account. Now click on the icon below Action. Here, you will see a message that will contain your 16-digit store credit or gift card code. Apply this code during the checkout process of an order to get that amount discounted from your total. If you need assistance during any part of this process, please email our customer service team at contact@frontporchpantry.com.